magpa-interview.
Don't tire.
The Catrians are very tiring for their practice. That's why they feel sleepy. Especially Cadet Philomena. Come here. Make it fast. I am Conan. I need to borrow from ABS-CBN Pampanga. What can you say about the practice of the island drill?
It looks like it's very tiring because they've been practicing for the past 4 hours.
Okay, you answer me with Malanding slang English, okay?
I think that their practice so far today is tiring. 2 hours depending on the sun, but I mean, it kind of has to be done, especially the big good and the graduation.
Okay, are you a Billy Boy?
So what is it?
Billy Boy is bading.
Sure, that is, I will find out.
Okay, can you chupa panganiba? Okay, we will set aside the practice regarding the silent drillers because I am the one I am the reporter who have the one that has been accused. He's claiming that your money is his money also. What can you say about that?
I have no comment with regards to that, especially that now that it's a very sensitive issue. So no comment.
So, napasabayan sa sensitive issue ni Katrina Alili with Aidan Ko. So, gusto mo bang iakyat din to sa Senado with Senator Bong Revilla?
That depends on the situation, but why not? Especially if we're gonna have the court here together with Katrina Alili.
So, you mean to say you have the same room, right, with Pagayonan and you? So, do you think wala rin ba kayong sex scandal?
Hopefully not. I hope that people will not find out about it.
Yeah, because you are a Billy Boy, right?
I will find out.
Okay, maybe you have granted he have granted your request. That's why you give the key, then he open your bag, then he gets your money.
No comment with regards to that. It's very. You find out.
Can I verify your tongue while you're speaking in English with slang?
Okay.
Parang kang snake. Again.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.